Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my big data analytics project, which is flight delay prediction system. As the name suggests that the project is going to tell you about the percentage of the flight delay, which is in the probability form. So let's start the explanation of the project. For this project, I have done coding in the Python and using a Colab, which is online platform provided by the Google for the Python developer. In first snippet of code, I have just write a code for install the Kaggle and upload the API token from a Kaggle to my Colab so that I directly download the required data from Kaggle website directly. And here I am using NYC flight delay data, which is New York City's past history flight data. And after doing this step, we have to unzip the data so that we can load the data on our local device and use for the further processing. After doing that, here we just load the data and prepare the data for performing the EDA. Basically, we do a statistic solution or visualization in EDA to find out the hidden pattern from the data we have loaded or we have to work on it. So after applying EDA on the data which we have loaded, here is the output for the above code, in which you can see that data is loaded and top 5 data is represented over here. And this is graph for distribution of arriving delay. And so due to this graph a got a summarized idea about the flight delay. And and this part of the data, this part of the summarized graph showing that 2,59,146 flights are on time and 77,630 flights are delayed. And on the basis of this, we can quote that around 76.94% flights are on time and 23% flights are delayed regularly. And this graph is going to present about a carrier flight, which is a via flight or connected flight, which take 2 or 3 stops in between their original departure to arrive a final arrival destination. So there may be some problem in weather or some technical issue which can lead to a delay. So this graph basically showing about the delay probability of it. This graph display about the probability of flight delay on their original departure airport. After finding the hidden pattern and visualization about our data, we are here handling the data and done a future engineering so that we can model the data and train the data. After doing a future engineering, we are we are ready to train our data or create a model on the data. For training and model creation, here we use a three models from the machine learning. First is logistic reasoning, second is random forest classifier, and third is boosting classifier. After modeling the data in three different machine learning model, we have to evaluate the data for their accuracy, precision, and make a confusion matrix. So after training a data and evaluating a data, this is our result, and our result is For the logistic reasoning, we get a accuracy of 76% and precision is getting is 57%, and this is a ROC curve for a logistic reasoning. And for random forest classifier, we get an accuracy of 81% and precision is 72%, which is quite higher than a logistic reasoning, as you can compare here. And this is the ROC curve for a random forest classifier. And for the gradient boosting classifier, accuracy is 78%, which is lower than a rainforest classifier, but the precision is higher than a rainforest classifier. This is the ROC curve for a gradient boosting classifier. After training the data, we have to just test that whether our model is trained perfectly or not. So here is a code which I have run for testing my model, and it gives me that precision of new flight is on time and probability of delayed is 17%, which is okay. And for testing a data again and again, we can't write this whole code again and again. So I have just prepared a basic web page for it, and this is a code for a web page. And I have passed my train model uh, in my Flask model so that it can work on backend, and just we can just test the model. So for running this web page, we have just write a python.py, and our model is run on this web page. So let's open this page. Our page has opened here. Here we give a year is 2003, month is first, which is January, day is 1, which is 1st January, departure time is 5:17, arrival time is 8:30. Our carrier is UA, means our flight is get a hold in UA. Our flight number is 1547. Our original flight is from EWR, and our destination airport is IAH, and the distance and the whole distance is 1400 miles. And let's display. Yeah, our our model is run perfectly. It's showing that prediction is on time and probability of delay is 22%. Thank you.